How to integrate Hello Forms in your website. On your web app, for every list created, a Hello form with the same list name will be created by default. Here I choose Trade Show Visitor List. Navigate to Add Leads section and click on Hello Forms. From the list of forms displayed, navigate to the form which you need to integrate with website. From the icon set of the respective Hello form, click on Copy Code to embed Hello form. A 2-line script will be provided to you for embedding it in your website. Here, I have added the required coding and styles with the help of my development team to embed it in my website. Once this is done, all the inquiries from website will be captured and added to your corresponding list in HelloLeads CRM. You can get the help of your development team to create a web page with these script lines integrated in it. For any assistance, use the sample code provided next to the copy code option. Clicking on Edit Form option will enable you to customize the form fields, and enabling reCAPTCHA option will enhance the security of your Hello form. Copy-paste the reCAPTCHA key from your Google Cloud Console. This type of integration will be helpful for capturing inquiries from website, running lead generation ads via Google or Facebook. For any further questions, contact us via website www.helloleads.io.